Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can publish a post in Twitter or X application. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, put likes under the video. Also write your comments at the end of the video. And let's go ahead and get into this topic. So, friends, open of course, first of all, the X application itself, or as it is called, the old Twitter. And here in principle already the main Twitter page, you can create a post. To do this, you will need to click on this blue plus at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the creation of posts. Next, you will need to fill in the post itself. You can write absolutely any text you want. Also friends, here you can, let's say, attach a photo. Also friends, you can add a message, voice sound. Also friends, you can choose some GIF, let's say. You can also add your location. After that, friends, also you can choose your degree of. You will see your post, the degree of privacy of it. You can choose whether only you and your friends will see it, for example, or whether absolutely all Twitter users will see it. And once you've made all the necessary changes, friends, you just have to hit publish. And wait for the post to load. And once it's loaded, you'll get a window like this that says that the post has already been loaded. And you can easily view it by going to your page. That's how you can easily publish absolutely any post on X app or Twitter. Please, friends, don't forget to like the video, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.